What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we have a beautiful 2019 Ram 2500 that we sent up on a leveling kit and stanced out. But first, here's that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Make sure that you click that thumbs up and the bell symbol so you don't miss out on any of the content that we produce. For those of you brand new here, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell symbol, and make sure that you don't miss out on anything that we're making here. And go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. That does help with our analytics and pushes our content to the top so that people don't miss out and we can get it in front of people just like yourself. Cheers, y'all.
Look, I don't play, I got woes, I got God, I got hope, I got soul in my home, I got G, that's my bro, OB, on the beat, he got heat on the stove, if they keep playing with us, they gon' reap what they sow, whoa, yeah buddy, we gon' keep talking cold, and I hang with a few, cause the most do the most, wine bottles on the table, get the chairs and a toast, cause we didn't save ourselves, it was God as our boast, look, talking like they know me, they don't know the half, I'm like Owen Hart, mixed inside a Noah's Ark. I had battles in the dark, why you so alarmed? See the battles and the scars, had to go to class. Tamagotchi in my pocket, why you holding off? Cause the oldest got the rocket that can mow a lawn. But I'm chilling in the field, didn't go to farm. Daddy told me keep it real, let's show no regard. Those who didn't wanna build, try to throw